Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy M12. This phone promises a lot for a budget-friendly device, boasting a massive battery, quad camera setup, and a large display. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the M12 feels surprisingly sturdy for its price point. The textured back provides a decent grip and minimizes fingerprints. The 6.5-inch display is definitely a highlight, offering vibrant colors and decent viewing angles. While it's not the sharpest display on the market, it's perfectly adequate for everyday use, from browsing social media to watching videos. Now, let's talk about the camera. The quad camera setup, featuring a 48MP main lens, sound impressive on paper. In practice, the camera performance is decent in well-lit conditions, capturing acceptable detail and color accuracy. However, low-light performance is where it struggles, with images appearing grainy and lacking detail. The additional lenses, including the ultra-wide and macro, offer some versatility, but don't expect flagship-level quality. Under the hood, the M12 packs a decent processor and 4 GB of RAM. This combination handles everyday tasks smoothly, from multitasking to light gaming. Don't expect to run demanding games at high settings, but for casual use, it performs admirably. The massive 6,000 mAh battery is a true champion, easily lasting a full day and then some, even with heavy usage. This is a huge plus for anyone who's constantly on the go. One important thing to note about this particular model is that it's an international version. This means it's unlocked and compatible with GSM carriers like AT&T and T-Mobile, but not CDMA carriers like Verizon, Sprint, or Cricket. Be sure to check the supported bands for your carrier before purchasing, as LTE availability may vary. Also, keep in mind that this version may not include a US warranty. The seller typically provides a US travel adapter, as the phone may come with a foreign charger. So who's this phone for? The Samsung Galaxy M12 is a great option for budget-conscious consumers who prioritize battery life and a large display. It's perfect for students, casual users, or anyone looking for a reliable secondary device. While the camera and performance aren't top of the line, they're certainly respectable for the price. Just be aware of the international version limitations and lack of US warranty. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy M12 offers excellent value for money. It's not a perfect phone, but it delivers on its core promises of long battery life, a decent display, and acceptable performance. If you're looking for a budget-friendly device that doesn't compromise on the essentials, the M12 is definitely worth considering. Let me know in the comments what you think of the M12. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.